Hi, I'm Jason Duvall. I'm the General Manager of Morgan Services here in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm sitting here with our flat work supervisor, Catherine Plazanet. And Catherine, I just wanted to ask you a question. Tell me about how you came to work for Morgan and what you like the most about Morgan.
I came to work here 11 years ago. I was actually homeless and I was looking for a job, and Chris Radford and Larry Cooper, at the time the GM Larry Cooper and Radford, the plant production manager, gave me an interview, gave me the opportunity, and I've grown from there. What I definitely most like about Morgan is that you can rise within the company, and they always strive to push you, to help you become a better member in the plant, and to rise to a different job or do better on a different machine, and just keep rising and learning everything you can, and just to grow, like I said, within the company. And that probably for me is the best part about being part of Morgan, is the challenge. So if I'm working on a machine to start out, just feeding linen, but then they say, hey, we're going to try you, to see how you do in shipping or how you do on another machine, and you rise to that occasion and beat that challenge. That for me is probably why I stayed at Morgan so long, is because of the challenge that you guys offer.
I noticed when you were describing your path to Morgan and within Morgan, you used the term member and not employee. What does that word member mean as far as Morgan goes, and what does being a member mean to you?
A member for me is, the members here are all a family. We all work together. We're all a team. Whether it be you are a member of the flatwork floor, whether you're a member of the receiving team, whether you're a member of service or the office, we all are a team working together to strive to get the customers the product that they need.